Come with me now. Come with me now.
And now the tale of trying to convince my cat Jiji to try out his new hammock. A tale in futility. Jiji has had past experience of promised things, like the new hammock, such as the tease of catnip before he was hoodwinked into the Easter chicken getup as shown here. He had established warrants to be wary. The first trick was to persuade Jiji to leave my wife's Final Fantasy game. He likes to think he's a character in the game, and I try to use the tried and true strategy of Aristotle's persuasive methods. First, I use logic to convince him there must be a cozier place. Jiji agreed and listened to me from the comforts of the crockpot. My logical approach continued as I tried to explain that the fabric surface of his new hammock would be preferable to a cold metal surface. His response was as follows. Cuteness attack. Cuteness, an antidote to logical appeal. I had to use the prestige of my position as owner, the filler of his food bowl, to be more convincing. Jiji then moved atop his refrigerator throne perch as he listened to my attempts at ethos, my credibility as the owner who did not dress him up as the chicken, and supplied those entertaining milk rings he plays with on a regular basis. As I finished, Jiji decided to find some packing tape to play with, and now I knew that emotional appeal or pathos was now needed. I started with pleading and cooing toward the stairs, where I could have him see his new hammock upstairs in the home office. When that didn't work, another type of emotional appeal burst out. Threats. I could withhold food. I was the owner, and I merit respect. I demand respect. Jiji's reaction makes me afraid, very afraid. But just when I'm ready to give up, Jiji starts heading upstairs. Maybe my persuasive efforts worked. No, Jiji just wanted to be the inspector for the dryer, keeping the world safe from lint balls. I gave up and turned away. Hours later, Jiji perched himself into his new hammock without any ethos, logos, or pathos from me. I kid myself that I sold the whole concept. Oh, the delusion I had.